the beep, beep, beep.
Yep.
Mansfield approach, Cherokee 4257 Juliet.
Cherokee 4257 Juliet, Mansfield approach, Mansfield altimeter 3011, safe position and intentions.
We're just off of Shelby, en route to Beach City to Delta 7. We'd like to transition your Delta if possible.
Roger, are you requesting flight following?
Yeah, for a little while.
Number 57 Juliet, roger, reset transponder squawk 4705.
4705, 57 Juliet.
Number 57 Juliet, transition to the Mansfield class, Delta's approved.
Roger, thank you.
Number 57 Juliet, radar contact 4 miles southeast Shelby Airport. And November 57 Juliet, the altitude climbing to?
I think we're going to stop at 3,000.
Roger.
Start coming down. This looks like a cluster now. 2 there, 1 there.
Beach City traffic, experimental 22 Lima Pop 5 north inbound, looking for traffic. Mile kind of cast on 2 mile final 28.
We'll absolutely need your help with your eyes outside when we get up here.
Beach City traffic, stop right 97 November 8 miles to the east-northeast inbound for land 28, Beach City.
All right, 6 miles.
Beach City, Zenith 22 Lima Pop is 3 north inbound.
Beach City, 82 Whiskey, we're to the east side of the field now, just now picking up ground contact, we'll be around next time.
Beach City traffic, Yankee 906 Lima, downwind, Beach City. Beach City, Yankee 906 Lima is turning base, 28 Beach City.
All right, we're 5 miles. Beach City traffic, Cherokee 4257 Juliet's 5 to the west, inbound for 28. We'll be looking for traffic, 57 Juliet.
2 Whiskey turning a crosswind for 28.
Experimental 22 Lima Pop following the Mooney at Beach City, crosswind.
Runway Beach City is opening up for fog. Just be aware there is a fog bank sitting right over the approach end of 28.
All right.
Zenith 22 Lima Pop following the Mooney, downwind 28 Beach City.
All right. Keep an eye on that guy ahead of us and see where he's going.
28 2 Whiskey turning base.
There's two of them up there now, one high and one low, right above each other.
I don't have it.
There.
Oh, there he goes.
Yep,
Okay.
one guy's turning, there's a guy low. The airport's over there.
Yeah.
Zenith 22 Lima Pop, left base 28 Beach City.
Beach City, Cherokee 4257 Juliet's left downwind 28 Beach City. All right, we got it.
All right, there.
Yep.
Zenith turning final 28 Beach City.
Hey, 82 Whiskey, when you're done rolling out, if you want to head back down east, we'll park you next to this yellow one.
Very good. 8 2 Whiskey clearing the active Beach City.
Maybe say 97 November's entering a upwind offset to the north for 28 Beach City.
Beach City traffic 57 Juliet base 28 Beach City.
Yeah, Beach City, Zenith is going to land long, park down the west end.
Beach City traffic 57 Juliet final 28 Beach City.
Beach City traffic, 97 November, straight west crossway 28 Beach City.
Hey, 57 Juliet, we'll park you next to this Mooney down here.
Okay, we'll be there. Thanks.
Starbreeze 97, Beach City 97 November, Starbreeze, turn left downwind 28 Beach City.
Crack that door at the top. Just pop it open to get some air in here. There you go.
Probably not.
Beach City traffic 225 Kilo Bravo is 8 miles to the southwest. Rejoin the pattern
Yeah.
on 45 for 28.
Beach City traffic 97 November is left base 28 Beach City.